how to make and create Reddit banner on Canva. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for canva.com. Now, go ahead and tap on the search bar you see there and further type in Reddit banners in the search bar. Now, in the next interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see a bunch of templates. Go ahead and choose the template of your choice and tap on it. You can further go ahead and make the required changes in that particular template. Once you are done making the changes, tap on the share button on the top right of your screen and further tap on the download button you see there and then tap on download again, and with this the image will be saved to your PC. So this is how you can make and create Reddit banner. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.